So in this video, I needed to reveal my face. I am Olvi. I am the actual human behind BigStepsMedia and behind that avatar you've been watching. For a long time, I've used that avatar because it was efficient. But right now, there is a massive wave of panic sweeping through the YouTube space about AI, about trust score, and getting shadowban. People are literally terrified to hit that upload button. So I figured it was time to step up from behind that avatar, show my face, and show you exactly what's going on behind the scenes at YouTube. Now, you might ask, how do you know what's going on behind the scenes at YouTube? Well, as many as you already know, my background is in the corporate side of this platform. I have worked for a major multi-channel network, managing massive channels and analyzing the data behind millions of views. I have great connection with people that know what is going on and also big creators. So yeah, I might know a thing or two. If you look at the advice space right now, nobody is talking about making good videos anymore. Everyone is talking about setting up VPS servers, residential proxies, and anti-detect browsers. They are telling you that if you don't warm up your YouTube account for 14 days, your trust score will be too low and the algorithm will kill your channel. They are telling you that Gemini and SynthID are going to flag your content and ban you. It's really exhausting, and to be honest, it's what's keeping you broke right now. They want you scared of a new secret algorithm so they can sell you automated tools to kind of bypass it. I shared on a previous video that on the beginning of this year, I was having a drink with some actual employees from YouTube, and we were just hanging out and talking shop. And you know what we talked about? We talked about operations, we talked about packaging, we talked about retention loops, and we didn't spend a single second debating which proxy hides your digital footprint the best. YouTube's engineering team doesn't have a secret quality score that judges if your video is funny or not. They look for spam, they look for advertiser safety, and if you are a real person trying to make real content, then you don't need an IT degree to upload a video. Then there is the AI panic, like YouTube hates AI, SynthID will shadow ban you. If YouTube hated AI so much, why did I just spend months running this channel with an AI avatar? Even better, look at the channels launching right now using all-in-one AI production tools like VidRush. I mean, I tested it myself. Like if we go over here in this channel that I launched on February 9th and gained 1.7 million views. Now it's monetized. I'm just waiting for the estimate, and it's probably gonna be around $8,000 to $10,000 with this kind of views, because this is long form. The average of the video length, it's around 70 minutes, and the RPM is gonna be high, and it was all made only with VidRush. Now in this case, you tell me what would happen to me if I was scared to try this out. I would be missing the chance to earn that money. And it's not only me. I mean, look at this one that just messaged me yesterday thanking me because for the first time he's seeing views pick up. Now VidRush is closed to the public, but now I have access code that I'm sharing only with members of the community that want to try VidRush. I have shared some of them, but I have even more. So if you guys want to try this amazing tool yourself, then I can give you an access code. Anyway, as I was saying, there are a ton of channels that are exploding with VidRush. They are getting monetized and pulling in massive views. We also use AI tools to generate high-end visuals and speed up our workflows every single day. YouTube doesn't hate AI, they hate lazy, spammy content. And SynthID is just a watermarking tool for transparency. It's not a weapon designed to destroy your channel. AI is a tool to speed up your production so you can compete. It's not an excuse to make garbage. That's the whole idea of this. This is exactly why I decided to show my face today. I want you to see the human strategies behind this channel. And this is exactly what we focus on inside Creator OS. At Creator OS, we don't teach any hacks. I mean, we go over the mindset. I explain everything you need to know about investing in the shadow phase, how to do deep niche research, mastering niche research, how to pick the niche. We share what actual niches are working right now, tools that you need to use to validate a niche. Then we go into build and launch, where I share with you everything from channel setup, how to navigate on YouTube Studio, find your competitors. I've shared all my knowledge that I have about production workflow, how to optimize packaging. There are a ton of videos that are very helpful for you with stuff that you haven't heard about. I explain everything you need to know about VidRush. Also, we also go on live calls. For example, in 5 days, we're gonna go on a call with the community where calls are about 1 hour or however much the members need to to get their question answered. We also have some major wins here. For example, Zachary with consistent earnings. We have Marvin here who actually mentioned that he built this channel purely on the instruction from this community. Then we have Rick here with amazing results in just 2 months. Then we have Esma that is making consistent revenue. Also, we have Malik who for the first time believes that YouTube money is real. Then we have Lucas, we have Fo. We also have small wins like Luke here who is almost ready to monetize the channel, and other small wins, because in this community we celebrate everything and we make sure to help each other. But to be honest, you don't really need this right now. I mean, you can learn how to create videos and just upload videos. Don't be scared to try out and find out. This is what I always tell to my community, because I have this other channel right here with shorts that is purely AI content, and in just 28 days it has pulled more than 50 million views and has brought almost $8,000 in revenue. And this is USD, just to show you. This is USD dollar. So that's the main mindset. Don't let these things scare you to hit the upload button. Just do it and find out. At least you will learn something. And that's why inside Creator OS we show you how to use AI properly to speed up your workflow, not to spam the platform. Because our goal isn't to outsmart the engineers at YouTube. You will lose that game. The goal is to outsmart the other creators in your niche by making better videos and faster. So it was nice to finally meet face to face. The last word that I'm gonna say is stop trying to act like an IT technician. If you want to procrastinate, go set up a residential proxy. But if you want to actually build an asset, come join us in Creator OS, write your next script and hit upload. I'll see you in the next one.